Welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to turn off the message timer for a specific chat on WhatsApp. If you've enabled disappearing messages for a chat but want to keep your conversations intact, follow these simple steps to disable the feature. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Once you're in, navigate to the chat where you want to turn off the disappearing messages feature. Next, tap on the contact's name at the top of the screen. This will take you to the chat settings page, where you can manage various options for that specific conversation. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Disappearing Messages. Tap on it to proceed. You'll see a list of options for how long messages should remain visible in the chat. Finally, select Off from the list of options. This will disable disappearing messages for this specific chat, ensuring that all future messages remain in the conversation permanently unless manually deleted. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the message timer for this chat. Whether it's an important conversation or just one you'd like to keep for reference, this quick adjustment ensures your messages won't vanish over time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful WhatsApp tips and tricks.